All right, here it is, the room.
So we are in stateroom 8022, which is a navigator veranda. I'm going to explain what that is in 1 second, but oh my god, this room is beautiful.
Wow.
We got a Tiana room.
Yes.
It's so pretty. So we have a navigator veranda, which basically means we have a private veranda, but it has a little bit of an obstructed view, which you can see here. So a lot of people have questions about safety with veranda rooms, particularly for little kids, that their kid is going to open up the door by themselves. So you do have to turn this handle to open it, but there's also a child lock up at the top, so you should be safe for little kids. Oh, that was locked. Now we can open it, and this is our veranda. This is beautiful.
Wow.
So partially obstructed, but totally still a great view. So as John mentioned, we got a guaranteed stateroom with restrictions, which means we chose the type of stateroom, meaning a private veranda, so inside, ocean view, veranda, and then concierge. But with a guaranteed rate, they chose the room for us. So we paid a lower price. It basically helps them fill the ship, but we still have a beautiful view. We were kind of looking, it's about $800 cheaper to do this room where they chose it as opposed to choosing our own stateroom. So definitely worth it.
Ooh, what's in here?
All right. So one of the benefits of the deluxe rooms with veranda is the split bathroom, meaning that we have one room that has a shower and a sink, and then a separate bathroom that has a toilet and a sink. So it makes it so much easier for getting ready, and definitely if you have a family, to have those two spaces that could be used separately. So we were on the Fantasy last year, and I can absolutely say this, even though it's about 8 years newer, is clearly upgraded compared to the Fantasy. So in terms of tons of storage here. So we have a closet with lots of storage. We have shelves in the middle and a safe, and I think another set of closet space.
Wow.
Perfect.
This is a pretty spacious room.
Yeah, the bed is elevated, so you can't put luggage underneath. We're still waiting for our bags to arrive. We have a TV. We have a little vanity area, more drawers. And because we were Silver Castaway, meaning this is our second cruise, we got a awesome tote bag, which I was not expecting, honestly. So that is super cool to get that gift today. The fridge is hidden. It's in a drawer, which a lot of people don't always realize where the fridge is. So that is great. And then this folds down to be a bed as well. And then in the larger family rooms, there's also an upper berth bed that will drop down. Your room attendant will drop that for you. So you can easily fit, well, easily, 4 people in this room. But this room is absolutely gorgeous. And I think we need to go explore the rest of the ship.